Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how I twist out my hair. A little disclaimer, my hairline is sale in October 2019 because clearly I see cross over Lena. Well equipped griller. Why? Okay, so we spray. You can't do anything to your hair if it's not wet or if it's not moisturized. So just know that whatever you're doing and your hair is not moisturized, you are literally pulling it, tearing it, and just exhausting it. Therefore, damage will be your best friend. You know what I mean? So everything that you gotta do to your fro, you have to moisturize. All our lives, well, let's just say while we were young.
Moisture.
Well, we were young. Not to stay away from water. Little did we know that that is where it's at, you know? Yo. And to think that at some point we used to wash our hair once a month. Treatment. Guys, whenever... Because of relax. When I think of those days, I can't see myself relaxing my hair. Spray. Should I show you the products that I used? Next time. Definitely. You might think the model C student. Why would it because I hate that labeling. Model C. You might think the model C Marinello packet ya Mkomboti. Where my dear men?
We were enjoying Mkomboti.
We seriously had like Mkomboti. And we are friends with the person who was making the Mkomboti. So guys.
Oh my gosh. I mean, you know what, Ne? Sometimes you need to just be the person that you were meant to be. Even though budget, like, just eat sushi because you like it and it's a lifestyle that you want for yourself.
I can't wait to hear where we're going with this.
This is epitome of Shem. What is this thing of me liking cheap life? I'm done with it. I'm done with it, guys. The other day, I ordered ocean basket. I ordered sushi because Nikki, do make it my friend and gave it a rek. Even last week,
we are going to do our nails. We are.
My friend is going to be those friends, guys.
Do what?
No. Can't say it.
Okay. That was a beautiful ad break. Someone actually complimented, like the lady that does my braids, actually mentioned the fact that I have a clean scalp. I did not take notice of it until now that I'm looking at it. Baby girl's scalp is clean. Okay. I give all the credits to bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar. I do not. And those two will bring back your curl pattern. So,
I don't know these things.
Okay. So I do this because I don't like combing out my hair. The only time there's like some form of equipment on my head is when I'm using a detangler, right? Now I do this. I don't mind doing this for like an hour. I honestly don't mind. So for each block, I'd probably do this for like maybe 60 seconds. Just, to get all the knots out. Okay, fine. You part your hair into two because we are doing twist out, right? So from there, I just did that. And then with this section, you twist out your hair like this. Like, you literally twist it out. And then, there we go. Twist. There we go. Twist. There we go. Twist. Again. Twist. There we go. Twist. And we...
I was actually enjoying that.
Were you? And then Love it. Just twist. Twist. In all honesty, if someone's watching this and they know a remedy your hairline, please, I beg you. I beg, Oga. I beg. Yeah? Do hook your comb up. Okay. Don't strain this area. If it's not twisted out, it's not a train smash. Just let it
But what
be.
if your hair's shorter than that, right? Happy you have quite long hair, don't you?
It's much more pleasant twisting out shorter hair than this. I feel like when I'm going to cut my hair again and start the journey all over, I will appreciate the beginning stage of growing my afro. At this point, this, and it's not even that long, but this length requires a whole lot of attention, a lot of products, and just, I won't lie, it gets easier as you
get used to it.
you get used to it. You get used to it. I don't think easy is the right word to use. You get used to it, but it requires no product. You know, and but honestly speaking, at this time, you know what works for you. Do I know what works for me? Yes, I do. Shea butter. I like shea butter, bentonite clay, and apple cider vinegar. If I could have those three products, I could actually be fine. It's just that I try out new products every now and again. I like hair treatment. I'm currently using the hair mayonnaise. I love it. I also love Cantu's product because I use Cantu leave-in conditioner. I also use a lot of Native Child. Story for another day. I use a lot of Native Child because I love the fact that it's affordable and their products are good, you know. It's just that we tend to just want more. And this year I'm looking forward to actually going to like a natural hair salon and doing my hair there because I've never went to a hair salon to do any form of treatment. I'm looking forward to doing that, and I'm looking forward to using rooters. It's a bit expensive, but apparently it works. So I want to do that and draw my own conclusion. So yeah, I am about to do my whole head. I will see you guys after.
Check my profile, image of me in your memory. But I'd rather don't smile, just keep them on your SD. The ones you got from last week, the ones in the white tee. Take them back to real life, slide into your DMs, don't work out for me. Light it up, pull me in, be about how you feel. Girl, you got me high as fuck, stay on top. Dirty loving never felt so sweet. Never felt so sweet now. Dirty loving never felt so sweet. I know you like the taste, but we gon' dirty loving don't stop. Felt so sweet. Never felt so sweet now. Never felt so sweet. Never felt so sweet now. Never felt so sweet. Never felt so sweet now. Never
you know what? Let's get into the notion that you don't owe anyone anything. Start doing things from within, nah? And if it makes you happy,
Stick with it.
stick with it. You know, as people, we are more than welcome to understanding who you are and how you do things. And your explanation could be helping someone else. So it doesn't have to be neat. I'll be wearing a bucket hat and Ricky look, and it's fine. Like, it's fine, guys. Don't spend time over explaining yourself. This is self drag, by the way. Don't spend time over explaining yourself. The little things that you do just to make your everyday living more easier and over a normal person. Do that, babes. Don't over explain yourself. Yeah, it was lovely. I loved recording this. My friend gave me her equipment and the space and the freedom to do what I want to do. So thank you, Tuna. I really love you, babe.
Subscribe and follow you. And also follow you on Instagram.
Please follow my friend on YouTube. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. What am I offering you? What are you
Face masks.
offering? Just
Those I really love.
face masks, right? And just genuine, authentic content. Content that is just there. Something to just make you smile when you're going through my page. Because it's just, I made the decision from last year to smile a lot. So I'm keeping that. I'm improving on that. Smiling more and just opening up about things. Like Insta story every now and again it gets interesting because I share products that are disappointing and I share products that I love. I'm a skincare enthusiast, so that's what I'm offering. Please follow my friend. My friend is adventurous, funny, outgoing, beautiful, and most importantly, hardworking. So her content never disappoints. Beautiful, well curated. You know what? Follow her.
I guess they'll put you.
Bye, guys.
Gotta check you.